talk about how this actually makes money, because you have to lead people somewhere. And so it doesn't make sense to stay on this content hamster wheel. And a lot of reasons people are running on it is because they don't know how to guide a flow, a funnel, if you will. But I don't really believe in funnels. I believe in flywheels. And if you're curious what a flywheel is, you can go on YouTube and find HubSpot's flywheel video. Alrighty, so for the sake of this video, we're referring to everything as content. So that means any of the videos we make are primary topic, large form content like our blog, our YouTube, our carousels, any piece of content. And here is, we're going to look at it in two ways. So we're going to have our content, and our content is going to have one of two CTAs. So our content's going to have a CTA, and the CTA is either going to be a freebie of some sort, or it is going to be lead you to large form content. If it leads to large form content, it's going to take this path. It's going to go to content, and then it's going to go directly to freebie. So large form follows this path. It's a little bit more roundabout. It has its place. Some people need more steps to build trust. So we're going to keep going down this freebie route. So this freebie is going to take them to a landing page. And that landing page is going to exchange information for an email. So they enter their email, and they get the freebie. Once they have that freebie, they also end up on an email nurture sequence. So that email nurture sequence is going to have the following. It is going to have the freebie itself. The next one is going to be a, hey, thanks for being here. This is who I am and what I do. Then it is going to have 3 other emails that are hot button emails. These hot button emails are going to be about some really hot topics that happen within your industry and you solve the problem for from your unique perspective. The last email in that series that's happening over the span of about 12 to 14 days is, hey, do you need my help with this? So essentially what we're doing is we're saying, hey, here's that free thing you wanted. Take it, use it, whatever. Hi, my name is blah, blah, blah. Nice to meet you. Then we're proving our expertise. I'm an expert at this. You sure you feel this way? I'm sure you feel this way about this next thing. A couple of days later, like, oh yeah, I bet you want this. And then at this point, they kind of get that you know what you're talking about and that you can add value, or they're just intrigued enough to want to have a conversation. The last one, you just say, hey, do you want to date or not? Just that level of blunt. And so that allows them to start to make a decision quickly and allows you to give them different touch points, because it does take at least a bare minimum of 8 touch points. So if we think about that, they've consumed our content. They might have seen one of those 15 pieces of content multiple times, so we don't know how many touches are there. Then they finally say, okay, fine, I'll go to your landing page. Go to your landing page. Then they get that freebie and they read your freebie and get value from that. Then they get your welcome email, and so now they know who you are. Then they get your hot button topic. Okay, I'm already at 5. Then they get your second hot button topic. Then they get your third hot button topic. And then lastly, you're just like, okay, like, what are we doing here? Do you want to solve the problem or no? So that allows you those 8 touches. Some may automatically take you up on that. Some may not, and that's okay. But the goal is to get people into a place where we can continuously talk to them on a platform that we own, which is our email. So that's what you're going to do. That is the process of where we're taking this, and acknowledging that this is just one piece of your sales pie. If it's the only piece of your sales pie, you'll scale at a decent rate if you're consistent. If you have other methods for warm outreach and using your existing clientele, you're going to scale even faster. And if you run ads, that's just another piece of this pie. But what we're talking about right now is how to get people off of social and into your bank account. So we're going to just be focusing on this. Awesome. Cool.
Here we go. Gotta love that camera moving with me.